Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale real estate photography with Zillow, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of high quality real estate photography. Identify your target market within the real estate industry. Research local real estate trends to ensure your services align with market needs. Set up a professional photography portfolio showcasing your best work. Create a dedicated website to display your portfolio and services. Optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility. Register for a Zillow account to gain access to their platform. Familiarize yourself with Zillow's guidelines and requirements for real estate photography. Offer competitive pricing for your services to attract potential clients. Network with local real estate agents to build relationships and gain referrals. Reach out to agents and offer a free trial or discounted first shoot. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your photography and connect with real estate professionals. Create engaging content that highlights your photography skills and industry knowledge. Leverage Zillow's platform by submitting your best photos to listings. Monitor Zillow analytics to track the performance and engagement of your listings. Adjust your strategies based on the analytics to improve your reach. Invest in continuing education to stay updated on photography techniques and real estate trends. Consider upselling additional services, such as virtual tours or drone photography. Gather client testimonials to enhance your credibility and attract new business. Continuously seek feedback from clients to refine your services. Implement a referral program to incentivize satisfied clients to spread the word. Attend local real estate events to network and promote your photography business. Build partnerships with staging companies to enhance the quality of your listings. Keep your photography equipment updated to maintain high standards. Explore new techniques and styles to differentiate yourself from competitors. Regularly refresh your portfolio with new work to showcase your evolving style. Market your services through targeted online ads to reach a broader audience. Stay persistent and patient as you build your reputation within the real estate community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.